Hi guys, CarSpire 2.0 here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. We got a new vehicle over here that I never seen before, but hadn't appeared before. It's called Big Rig Heat, and the first color actually appeared back in 2019. But the interior of that one is yellow. This one has a red interior, and it came with a new color, Bash the Blade. Which is located right there. And today we're going to be unboxing this one and get a closer look at the truck itself and Bash the Blade itself. So, without further ado, it's time to get started, you guys. Let's get it unboxed. Here we go. Still gotta be careful though, you guys. I do not want. On the back side. Oh, there we go. Alright. Now I need to get back right out of the way first. Now we can start to take a look at the truck itself. Now we know that all this, it can detach from this stuff. But before we look at the trailer, let's take a look at the truck first. Now you see way off those tires, as always. And so, good. Oh, look at that. Fenders has a purple and red on there. Wow, look at that red exhaust tips. Here's the engine itself. Right here. And actually a red rear of this truck. More decals. Oh, there's a flame logo on there. Similar to the treasure hunts. Now here's the front. Look how aggressive it is. There's a little mirror over here as well. And here's the red interior. And it looks like there's a roof scoop on this one as well. That's different. Alright. Now let's take a look at the trailer itself. Now, right on the side, it says Teen Hot Wheels right on it. And there's the same wheels as on the cab itself. Oh yeah, there's this part right here. Let's see though. But I was going back on the truck itself. Yeah, there's actually some sponsors down here as well. Even the Hoppers logos on there. And this is a feature in do this. It does have a feature. This part, and you can go up and down. Yeah. It's actually a car that actually does go in here. And Bash the Blade that we want. And the car that we going in there. Alright, let me close that tailgate. Oh, actually there's a diffuser in the rear. That's different. Alright, let's move that truck out of the way. And let's get that, and so get that one car. Bash the Blade. Now, you guys already know about the rent and buy stuff for Bash the Blade. And right there. Well, this is a new color for Bash the Blade. It's yellow, and that was in the front. There's number 8. Hot Wheels logo again. And there's these number right here. Are these? And a part of a fire jet? Well, Bash the Blade is known to be a fire jet on wheels. And yeah, this is tail itself. And the wings, but not like an actual plane though. And here's the rear. That looks aggressive as well. And all the wheels that go over it, it looks Very nice of this casting. Well, I think that's it for this one. Let me move. Here. Alrighty guys, so what do you think about all these two? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys in my next one. We got a special unboxing video coming out next on this one. And I'll see you all in that one. See you later everyone. Bye bye.